Hello dears. Sex is one of the main factors of happiness and satisfaction in married life. Some sexual problems may have a negative effect on the marital relationship and cause a decrease in sexual satisfaction and cause mental and physical tensions. To solve these problems and improve the marital relationship, the use of natural and herbal methods has been considered as effective solutions. We decided to show in this video some recipes that are useful for increasing libido and strengthening sexual power in men. One of these compounds is the miraculous combination of red ginseng and black seeds with natural honey. Ginseng consumption can help increase the level of testosterone hormone in the body, which increases sexual power and sexual energy. Ginseng can help improve sexual performance, increase stimulation, and reduce sexual problems such as impotence. The anti-stress properties of ginseng can help reduce mental and physical tensions and bring about mental and physical improvement in the marital relationship. Ginseng consumption can lead to increased sexual satisfaction, increased vitality, and improved emotional relationships in a marital relationship. The way to use it is to take 1 teaspoon of this mixture every night for 2 weeks, then stop using it for 1 week and then use it again for 2 weeks. It should be noted that along with this combination, we must use liquids such as pomegranate juice and a combination of mint, vinegar, and honey, and people who have high blood pressure should use this combination with caution. Another recipe for increasing sexual desire and strength is cinnamon tea. It is better to use cinnamon sticks to prepare this tea and brew it and drink it every day. One of the uses of cinnamon is in the treatment of premature ejaculation and cold-tempered men. This plant helps a lot in the treatment of sexual impotence in men. Increasing libido and sexual power of men is one of the benefits of using cinnamon. In traditional medicine, men who have problems with impotence are also advised to use this spice more in their diet. After drinking a cup of hot cinnamon tea, you will feel 100% energized. This sensation warms and circulates the blood in your body and prevents the formation of blood clots that are harmful to your health. The third recipe is to use saffron tea. Saffron is traditionally used as a natural remedy for male infertility. Recent studies on the effects of saffron consumption on men suffering from infertility have shown different results. Saffron helps to increase sperm motility and size. Several research studies have shown the positive effects of saffron consumption in treating erectile dysfunction and increasing male libido. If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and leave your comments. Thank you.